Hi, it's Martha Mick back with another Maker Minute, easy glued notepads. I hope you try this. They come out really beautifully, they're fun, kids can do them, and everybody needs one. So what I have here is a stack of paper. I'm tapping it to align the pages, clip them together along with their cardboard backing, and I'm going to put a line of glue on that edge that I have held together. The glue is going to seep down and grab all the pages, hold them securely. They will swell. All paper does when it gets wet. So you want to clip it together, hold it while it dries. And it takes an hour or so to dry. You could use a hairdryer to speed the process up if you want, but you have to let it dry completely. It will turn clear. And now I like to put, that's not quite dry, but I'm putting a second layer on, and I will let this layer dry completely. Here's our finished product. It's ready for the final touch, which is a decorative cover. I have cut some cardstock, the same width and a bit longer, and now I'm going to fold it around. I use a pair of scissors, the back of the scissors, just to make sharp creases so that it looks nice and crisp. And now I'm going to glue it at that top edge where the pages are glued together, just along the back of that cardboard. Now this part just is a little tab to tuck that little end under to keep all the pages nice and secure. You see how I'm applying the glue around there so that I'm not gluing that down, I'm just making a little thing to slide that under. Final step, sign your name and date it. That's important. You want people to know who made this. And now I like to let these dry under a weight. I use a brick, but you can use a book. Let them dry for an hour or overnight. Thank you for watching. Join us at the Patchogue-Medford Library for more crafting adventures. Thank you.